Yo, what's up everybody? It's your friend and we're back again with another video. Today we're diving deep into something we all struggle with. Email. It's a necessary evil in the 21st century, am I right? But what if I told you it doesn't have to be a soul-sucking time suck anymore? That's right, in this video we're exploring 7 game-changing AI email hacks that are going to up-level your productivity game and have you cruising to inbox zero every single day. We're talking about crafting the perfect email in seconds, nailing subject lines that get your emails opened every time, and even some next-level stuff like AI-powered spam protection. So if you're ready to unlock the future of email and reclaim hours of your life every single week, buckle up and smash that like button because this is about to change everything. Okay, let's kick things off with the holy grail of email hacks, one-prompt drafting. Remember the days when you'd stare at a blank screen, trying to wrangle words into some semblance of coherence? Yeah, those days are over. With AI, all you have to do is feed it a simple prompt, and we're talking like one sentence here, and boom, it generates a full-blown email draft for you. I'm talking subject line, salutation, the whole 9 yards. And the crazy part is, this isn't just some generic robotic template. AI is smart enough to adapt its writing style and tone to match yours. It's like having a personal email assistant working overtime 24/7. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sounds great, but does it actually work? Oh, it works. Trust me, I was skeptical at first too. But once you see how much time this saves you, you'll be wondering how you ever lived without it. So ditch the writer's block and embrace the future of email with one-prompt drafting. Your sanity will thank you for it. Alright, so you've got AI cranking out email drafts like a boss. But what happens if those emails never even get opened? That's where the magic of AI-powered subject lines comes in. We all know the struggle of trying to come up with a subject line that's catchy, informative, and doesn't scream spam. It's a delicate art, my friends. But guess what? AI's got this. Just like with drafting, you give the AI a simple prompt about what your email is about, and it'll generate a handful of subject line options that are practically guaranteed to get your emails noticed. We're talking about subject lines that are short, punchy, and create just the right amount of intrigue to make people actually want to click. No more agonizing over every word, no more generic subject lines that get lost in the abyss. With AI on your side, you can say goodbye to low open rates and hello to emails that actually get read. Let's face it, finding the right tone in an email can be trickier than navigating a minefield. Come off too casual and you risk seeming unprofessional, but go too formal and you sound like a robot. It's a tough balance. But fear not, because AI is here to save the day yet again. With AI-powered tone shifting, you can instantly transform your email's vibe to match the recipient and the context. Need to send a quick, casual email to a teammate? AI's got you. Have to draft a more formal message to a potential client? AI can handle that too. It's like having a linguistic chameleon right at your fingertips. Just tell the AI what kind of tone you're going for. Casual, formal, persuasive, you name it. And watch as it seamlessly adjusts the language and phrasing of your email. No more awkward rewrites or second-guessing your every word. AI makes sure your emails always hit the right note no matter what. Chapter 4. Hyper-personalization craft emails that resonate. Okay, let's talk about personalization for a second. We all know that a generic, one-size-fits-all email is about as effective as a billboard in the desert. To really grab someone's attention, you need to make it personal. But who has time to research every single recipient and craft a unique email just for them? You guessed it, AI does. With AI-powered hyper-personalization, you can create emails that feel like they were written specifically for the person reading them. We're talking about tailoring the content, the tone, even the call to action based on the recipient's interests, past interactions, and anything else AI can learn about them. This isn't just about inserting someone's name into the subject line, this is about crafting an email experience that feels so relevant and engaging that people can't help but respond. So ditch the generic templates and embrace the power of hyper-personalization. Your inbox and your bottom line will thank you. Chapter 5. Thread Summaries, Conquer Email Overload. Let's be real, we've all been sucked into the black hole of an endless email chain. You know, the ones with 20 replies, each more confusing than the last? Yeah, those are the worst. But what if I told you there was a better way? With AI-powered thread summaries, you can say goodbye to email overload and hello to instant clarity. Imagine this. Instead of scrolling through pages of replies, you get a concise, easy-to-read summary of the entire conversation. AI identifies the key points, highlights any action items, and cuts through the noise to give you the information you need in seconds. This is a game changer for anyone who deals with a lot of email, especially if you're constantly collaborating with teams or managing multiple projects. So ditch the headache of endless email chains and embrace the power of AI-powered thread summaries. Your sanity will thank you for it. Chapter 6. Smart follow-ups never miss a beat. We've all been there. You send an important email and crickets. Days turn into weeks and you're left wondering if your message even got through. Following up is crucial, but it can also be a huge time suck. That's where AI-powered smart follow-ups come in. Imagine having an AI assistant that automatically reminds you to follow up on important emails, tracks responses, and even suggests the perfect follow-up message based on the context of the conversation. No more manually setting reminders or racking your brain for the right words. AI takes care of all the heavy lifting so you can focus on what matters most. This is next-level email management, people. It's like having a personal assistant who's laser-focused on making sure your emails get the attention they deserve. Chapter 7, Spam-Free Sending. Keep your inbox clean. Let's be real, spam is the worst. It's like the digital equivalent of junk mail clogging up your perfectly organized inbox. But what if I told you there's a way to fight back? AI-powered spam detection is like having a digital bouncer for your inbox, keeping the unwanted messages at bay and ensuring that only the good stuff gets through. This isn't just about catching obvious spam like those you've won the lottery emails. AI is smart enough to identify and filter out even the sneakiest phishing attempts and malicious messages. So you can relax, knowing that your inbox is a safe and spam-free zone. No more wasting time deleting junk or even worse, falling victim to a phishing scam. AI's got your back, keeping your inbox clean and your data safe. So there you have it, folks. 7 AI email hacks that will absolutely transform the way you work. From one-prompt drafting to spam-free sending, AI is changing the email game forever. And the best part is, getting started with these hacks is easier than you think. To help you out, I've created a free downloadable prompt sheet with all the prompts you need to start using these AI email hacks today. Just click the link in the description below to grab your copy and get ready to experience the future of email. Don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing productivity tips, and I'll catch you in the next one.